Hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa Home Bargains. Bibili tayo ng anything like needed. Wait lang. I need to get my something. Sabi ko, we will buy something. So here na. We are here na sa Home Bargains. Tapos Lidl. Bibili lang ako sa... Actually, I'm thinking to buy Soil din. But, I don't know. Let's see. Alam nyo, pupunta lang talaga ako dito para lang mag-film, diba? But anyway, let's go to Home Bargains. Actually, ang Home Bargains talaga for me, it's the cheapest. So, normally, marami talaga ako nabibili sa Home Bargains. Sige guys, bye-bye. Let's see you later na lang. Oh God, guys, ang init ngayon. Ang init. Alam nyo, today is really hot. Kanina kasing umaga, malamig siya. Kaya nag-jacket. But now, I need to remove it na kasi mainit na siya. And actually, I'm not so okay sa suot ko dahil hindi siya maganda. But, let it be. And now, kailangan ko lang pumunta sa ibang shop. Kasi dito, Lidl lang tsaka Home Bargains. Tapos na ako sa Home Bargains. Bumili ako ng something para sa birthday ni Alexander. Kasi po lang yung receipt. Kasi every time nag-shopping ako, after that, I'll check the receipt just to make sure, you know. Yes, kasi sometimes they will add. So, 30 pound. Bumili ako ng Spider-Man. Oh, yeah. Yung may Spider-Man toothbrush with cup. Tapos yung para sa pa-party. Tapos candies. Coffee creamer. Kasi dito mas mura yung coffee creamer nila. Cappuccino. Yan lang. Okay. Kailan yung receipt. Just to make sure. Okay guys, punta na tayo sa isang shop again. And then, kunin na natin after sa Alexander. Mainit siya today. Kaya maganda. Oh my God, maganda lumabas today. Kasi mainit. Okay guys, bye-bye. Maganda yung panahon guys. So we're going to our playground dito. Lapit sa bahay. Walking distance lang. Mga 1 minute. It's safe here actually. Pag malaki-laki na si Alexander, pwede na siyang pumunta doon. Pero bawal kasi yung bata mag-isa lang. Alexander, natin ang araw. I mean, it's really nice weather. Time ticket, okay? Because it's summer already. Nagdala ako ng tubig. Kasi nga, mauuhaw to mamaya. Kasi yesterday, gusto niya nang pumunta ng... Alexander, go to this side now. This side. Kahapon, gusto niya pumunta dito. Tapos, busy ako. Tapos, ngayon na lang. Sander, show to guys. So happy niya. Sarap. Yeah, Sander, I love you. So beautiful. Hey. This is shortcut. So beautiful weather. This is the one. Shortcut. At the back of the playground. Dito si Alexander guys. Tsaka sobrang lapit lang kasi sa bahay. Kahapon pa talaga yan. Sabi niya, let's go mommy. And then, marami kasi akong ginagawa kahapon. Kaya, yan. You did it. Well done. Socks niya kasi yung slippery, tapos pag may socks din siya, slippery din. So yan, ganyan. He's so happy now. Kasi gusto niya mag-slide. Ayaw niya lang doon kasi natatakot siya dyan ay. Hey, what's the puppy? Naging expert na si Alexander sa pagpunta dyan with slipper. Kanina pa ito naglalaro. Mami? mainit today, kaya ganyan yung ating situation. Madaming laundry. Ang bilis niyang maano guys, ang bilis niyang ma-dry. Yan yung ating plants. Ito yung oak tree. Ito yung pinaka-paborito naming plant dito guys, kasi oak tree, diba? Pang matagalan talaga. So, nakasurvive na siya ng winter. Nasa labas lang siya winter. As in, ito mga sunflower. Ito. Strawberry. Sander. Give cover the battery first. No, you're moving it so much. Alexander damaged it already.
I did that.
And then meron akong nilagay ditong tent. Baka gusto niyang magpahinga. When you want to rest, you can rest here in the tent, okay?
Yes, but you need to put
Blanket? This one. No, don't worry, it will not. And you want blanket?
Okay, I'll just get something.
Ito na, kasi dry.
Some pillows.
You want pillows? You don't need pillows. You're not going to sleep. Hey, don't get pillows.
No, that's the lap.
Huh?
That's in the lap.
No. Just the small one, yeah?
No, that's in the lap. That's when that's in the pillows.
No. Just to... Oh my God, magdadala pa ng ano. Yan, madali lang siya dito maglinis. Maglinis tayo mamaya pag, yan, tingnan si Alexander, anong ginawa niya. Naggawa na siya mga holes dyan. Nag-water natin siya ng plants. Yung shed namin, nilinisan ko mamaya kasi, ano siya, may mga, wait lang. Tingnan nyo, ito yung grass na binili ko sa Home Bargains. Mas healthier siya compare sa ibang grass. Mas thicker, greener. Ganun. Ito yung shed namin ay. Yan. Wala masyadong laman. Pero hindi lang malinis kasi nung nag-transfer kami dito, lahat ng mga boxes dito ko nilagay kasi nga I need to make sure na complete siya. Oh dear, nagdala talaga siya ng pelo. How about you sleep here tonight? Yeah? You sleep here tonight? And I wake you up in the morning.
I don't sleep there, I'll be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
I will be.
You want some blanket? I think dry na to. Mga 30 minutes lang to dito. Dry na kaagad. Do you want blanket?
Do you?
I'll put it there so it's cozy for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you want some coloring?
Coloring
Papers, and you stay here and you color?
Yeah.
Okay, some arts to do.
I'm making this into practice. Is you seeing this puppy cookie?
Yeah, kasi oh no. I think you should not
Don't worry.
remove the socks now.
Just see it a bit.
Remove the socks now. It's okay, it's damaged. Because you should not leave it in outside. You know that, yeah? Alexander. Nandito na ako sa amin. This is my house now. Okay. Actually, it's very nice. Kasi etong, come here. But remove your socks because your socks is wet. Cozy na ako dito ay. Cozy siya actually. Yan na yung mga sampay natin guys. Ito, kinuha ko na to kasi dry din naman siya. Kasi kagabi ko to nilabhan. Yan. So, I think, hindi ko kasi siya pwedeng, I don't know, kung ilalagay ko doon kasi magkakaano siya. Yung parang trace ng rope or anong tawag doon. Basta yung magkakalinya. Ayoko kasi kaya nilagay ko siya dyan. Ito, pambahay lang naman siya kaya pwede lang na may linya. Kasi dito ako mahilig mag-iron. Pero diba, dami kong, gusto ko pa sana maglaba ng another comforter blanket. But let's see. Kasi tinatamad na ako. Kasi matagal yung washing machine namin. 1 hour and 30 minutes bago matapos.